It appears that Tesla might have formally decided on the place of its succeeding big factory. Based on recent reports, it appears that Tesla may be looking to put up another vehicle production facility in Shanghai, and it could be starting sooner than anticipated. In today's video, we'll talk more on the topic, but before that, make sure you press that red subscribe button along with that tiny bell icon to get updated every time we post new videos. Let's get started. Tesla has been sort of tight-lipped about its plans to put up its next big electric vehicle plant, with CEO Elon Musk stating during the Q4 and fiscal year 2021 earnings call that the company is looking at new locations this year. Musk noted that Tesla would be looking at new locations to see what makes the most sense, and that an announcement would likely be made by the end of the year. Considering how useful Giga Shanghai has been, however, it would not be surprising if Tesla has decided to make another plant in China. Tesla Inc. plans to start work on a new factory in Shanghai as soon as coming months as part of a plan to more than double production capacity in China to meet growing demand for its automobiles in the country and to export markets. Two people familiar with the matter told Reuters. Once the new factory is completely functional, Tesla will have the capacity to produce up to 2 million automobiles per year as its expanded Shanghai installation, the company's main export hub, according to people who asked not to be linked in discussing still private plans. The new factory will be located in the vicinity of its being production base in Lingang, Pudong New area. The expansion, if it goes ahead, would give Tesla EV dedicated production capacity in the world's largest auto market on par with more established brands in China. In comparison, Toyota Motor Corp produced 1.6 million vehicles in China in 2021. General Motors produced 1.4 million with its major Chinese partner, SAIC Motor Corp. Volkswagen plans to have capacity to make 1 million EVs in China by 2023. The cost of the planned expansion and Tesla's schedule for completion weren't immediately known. Tesla started production at its Shanghai factory, also known as the Giga Factory, 3 less than a year after breaking ground. The factory makes the Tesla Model 3 sedan and the Model Y crossover. Expansion plans for the existing factory aim to put Tesla on track to produce around 1 million vehicles this year, two sources familiar with the expansion plans told Reuters. Though one said this also depends on the accessibility of parts. Tesla is projected to take its weekly production to about vehicles at the factory in the coming months, one of the sources said. That production rate would amount to about 1.1 million vehicles over a year, more than double the amount of the factory's projected original capacity. Reuters formerly reported that Tesla could expand its capacity on the existing site too. That's all for today's video. Let us know your views in the comment section below, and don't forget to like this video before leaving. Thanks for watching.